monkey roundabout. You can see the 3 monkeys. So if I turn left, that's AGRIC Bank. If I follow straight, then it's KWEREMMADU Avenue. So this is KWEREMMADU Avenue. Still Independence layout. I wonder why there is traffic on this road, because normally the road is mostly free. So we are heading to AGRIC Bank Junction. Still Independence layout. Africana hotels at that junction. And this is traffic light you are seeing down here is AGRIC Bank Junction. We are at AGRIC Bank Junction. So if I take left, I'm going to take left now. That will show you ESBS Junction. Still in Independence layout. So this is AGRIC Bank Junction, and I'm going to switch to the left hand side. Now INEC office by the right. This road is heading to ESBS Junction. That's Enugu State Broadcasting Service by your left. And right here is ESBS Junction. I'm going to take right now. Top ranked hotel junction there. So I'm going to switch left, or do I get to that IMT? Do I get to that side?
Let's go to the nice places.
Okay.
Places that have a nice, beautiful road and all that. So after that, then we can get to.
This is this is library bus stop that we just passed. By the left hand side is where you have the NTA office. There are lots of beautiful places, and all the roads are connected. So there is no specific spot that you can say it's not fine. By your left, by your right is a spa. This is the back of spa. So do we take the spa road, or do we go further this way?
I think we should go through the spa road.
Okay, so we're going to take right now. This junction is you can't stop here, so there is no particular bus stop here. The next bus stop that you are going to get, assuming you take left, is ASUT IMT bus stop, but we're taking right, which leads to spa, and that's spa by your right hand side. Do you want us to get inside? Any need? We have actually crossed the entrance. This is still Independence layout. This is still Independence layout. Independence layout is actually very big. We are going down now. I think we are going to enter OKPARA Square Road that connects to Government House. So from this junction, your right, you can also get National Assembly quarters, their office. But we are going to take the road that leads to Government House. This is still Independence Layout. And by your right is the National Assemblies. We're going to take left now at this turn to connect directly to the Government House side. So down that place is called OKPARA Square.
All the screeching.
Why the screeching, man? So this is OKPARA Square Road. This is the route that connects to OKPARA Square. You know, by your left is OKPARA Square, and this is court, the Federal High Court too. And all these are in Independence Layout. We are not yet out of Independence Layout. So at OKPARA Square, they hold major government functions and stuff like that, you know. So if we are to take like, okay, we're going to go and turn from that Toscana junction, so they see the road, and then we're going to walk it back to Government House side. So we're going to take right now. There's a very popular hotel called Villa Toscana. Anybody that knows flavor of Africa knows this is his home hotel. This is one of the places that he started before he excelled into the globe. I think this was actually the last location that he was doing his live band before he moved to Lagos as a celebrity. So by your left is Abilene Street, but we're going to take a spin at this roundabout here. So by your right is Toscana, Villa Toscana, but we are taking a spin. This road also leads to Independence Layout. That place is still Independence Layout, but we're going to take a spin down through Government House. So let's go beside Government House. Careful with the cameras, you know. This security area, all this fence is Government House fence. This is the side of it. But we are going to get through where you're going to see the entrance of the Enugu State Government House. And this is still in Independence Layout. The Government House is called Lion Building. As you can see down that road, you are going to see a totem showing that you are around the Lion Building. You can see the lion here. Then we're going to take right. This is Government House Avenue. All these fences and these places are Enugu State Lion Building, the official government house of Enugu State. Where it's located, and that is the entrance by your right. We're going to take a slow bus so that you can see it, and that's the Enugu State Government House entrance. And then this is still in Independence Layout. This is called Nza Street, famous Nza Street in Independence Layout. It has a lot of connections. You can connect different routes. But I'm going to link this route down to New Haven. So this is Nza Street. We're going down through Nza Street, still in Independence Layout. So you can see Independence Layout is very massive. You know, this is just part of the the urban part of the town that has a lot of beautiful buildings. You can see the buildings down the hill. Very interesting. We are still on Nza Street, Independence Layout. Nza Street is very famous. Nobody that is in Enugu or who comes to Enugu that wouldn't want to touch or know about Nza Street. And you want to wonder what goes on here. A whole lot of things. You can find joints that you can hang out, relaxation spots and all that. So So I'm going to take left now. This left connects to New Haven. New Haven is a different location. So this is a boundary between, it's actually a shortcut between New Haven and Independence layout. So once we go down this hill, then we are in New Haven. Going down the hill. Now we are at UDUMA Street. This junction is called UDUMA. UDUMA Street, New Haven. If you take directly right, you entered into the streets of UDUMA. But we're going to take this junction because there is a very popular junction called New Haven Primary School. So we're heading to that New Haven Primary School bus stop. So we're like taking through the hotspots of the town, places that are renowned, routes that are easy to connect from one location to another inside the town. So we're pulling out close to the junction. Beside you is the building, the New Haven Primary School itself. So we are going to take rights again inside New Haven. This is New Haven proper. So this is the bus stop we are talking about by your right. The New Haven bus stop. New Haven Primary School bus stop. That's New Haven Primary School. And then by your left is Psychiatric Hospital. By your right is Mulumba Church, Catholic Church. So we're in New Haven. This is CHIME Avenue in New Haven. Just crossed Umezeli. And then still in New Haven. This is CHIME Avenue in New Haven. Yeah, you know, a lot of beautiful things by your left and your right. Down in the city. Hey! So now, we are heading to New Haven Junction, the first one, and we're going to turn so you see the CHIME lane properly. By your left is Gold Valley. New Haven Junction, the end of New Haven. We have New Haven Extension, but this is the main New Haven house. By your right, it's a very popular plaza, very popular, trust me when I say so. Going down CHIME Avenue. This is Lower CHIME. The other one was Upper CHIME. Just past UDUMA Junction. This is also a popular Zanda's Plaza. One of the big plazas around this place. The popular Ntachi food that you hear, Tachosa, is by your right. Then by the left is Assembly's bus stop. The next one is Mr. Biggs. This junction is Mr. Biggs Junction. This is down CHIME. This is still CHIME Avenue. The next bus stop is called Block. next bus stop is called First Bank. By your left, you can see First Bank. First Bank of Nigeria PLC. As you can see. So we're headed to New Haven Junction by Otiba. Okay, about this Bisala Road. And this is New Haven Junction. Lucky us, we just came at the right time, so we're going past. And this is New Haven Junction. I'm going to turn at Otiba Junction to connect to Bisala Road, so you are going to see the beauty of Bisala Road, and then we pull in and get to G.R.A.
Yeah, that we should go to that. We should go around to the estate and see.
Okay.
Then down to ShopRite Road.
Okay. So, but we are going to turn first.
Yeah.
Let's just turn from. So this is New Haven Junction, and our popular Otiba. That is Otiba. Otiba statue was supposed to be here at this roundabout, but something happened. During the NSAS protest, people got so angry. The monumental structure of Otiba. This is the roundabout that we are turning from now. It's Otiba Junction. It's a very popular junction and roundabout in Enugu State. Then people who are going straight down are going to Gui Road, but we are taking left because we are going to Independence layout again. We want to turn from Bisala Road. So this is Bisala Road. We're just going to take it to where it ends, and then we'll return back and head to G.R.A. This is Bisala Road, Independence layout. You know, we were supposed to come down through this place, but we took the government house lane. So like I told you, it has a whole lot of connecting routes. This is a hotel, popular one. Golden Tulip, the Golden Royale now. Maybe the car that is running wants to fly. Maybe that's why we are hearing all those horns. You know, this is what we find around here in this country. People will be making unnecessary noise in the afternoon, in a very hot afternoon. You know, cars in a convoy trying to stop other cars from moving.
This is intimidation.
Intimidation, you can imagine. So we're not supposed to move because they are in government cars.
I mean, where we are going is not that important now.
They're the ones that are doing the important things. Anyway, we are going to turn round this roundabout. If you go straight, you connect straight to Lion Building, but we're going to take left again to enter back into Bisala Road. This compound you are seeing is the house of the ex-governor, the former governor of this state, His Excellency Sullivan CHIME. That's his house, that's his compound. All these fence you are seeing down, and that's Roban Stores by your left. And this is still Independence Layout. Independence Layout is actually very huge, very wide, and has a whole lot of connecting routes. By your right is fire service. You can see the fire service vehicles inside. It's called Fire Service Junction, and that's their bus stop ahead of here. You can see buses parked and waiting for passengers. after that, we have a popular computer and phone market. It's called Phone Village in New Haven. This is the Phone Village, the very big market where you can get your phone accessories, your phone, buy your phones and repair your phones, whatever. By your left is CHIME Lane, G.R.A. Now we're heading to G.R.A. This other road by your right connects to Ababa, MNA and the rest, the right. Then we are heading straight to Zoo Estate in G.R.A. Zoo Estate is one of the most expensive estates in Coast City, Enugu. We are headed straight. This is Zoo Estate Avenue. So we're getting inside Zoo Estate for you to see Zoo Estate in its beauty. You know, when you hear Zoo Estate, probably you would think it's animals that are living inside it. It's not far from it actually, because the streets are named with animal names, you know, so it's actually a zoo experience. You know what I mean when I say so. You can see EKULU East, G.R.A.
This entrance was never here before.
Hotel. Yeah. I'm going to hotel. Huh? What? This entrance, yeah, this one is Lion Avenue. Probably expect me to go to hotel, but I'm not going to the hotel. I just use that as
Seems
an
like
excuse.
you started this newly. Before, it's not like that. Like,
No, they always had security here though. But probably the day you went, so because I said I'm going to the hotel, I'm gonna drive in here and turn, and then actually check out. This is Lavender Suites, one of the most beautiful places that has a spa, a pool, and whatever. So just to justify, yeah,
we actually just gonna turn and
yeah, I just wanted to justify what I already said.
Okay.
Because I told the people at the gate I was going to the hotel. So what's up? Felix there? Where? Felix.
Felix now?
Okay, Felix. Where the lodge here? With my friend now. Where they drive that white Benz? Okay. Alright. So we are getting deeper into Zoo Estate for you to see Zoo Estate and how sweet it is. You know, this place is actually
for the rich.
For the rich people in the society. That's Grand Bed Street. So we're just going to find a way to rotate around this Zoo Estate and turn out again back to where we're going. So the streets are named.
So the streets are named after an animal?
After animals, yeah. The streets are named after animals.
I've seen lion, crown,
flamingo. The next is Fox Street. There's this popular hotel here called The Gate.
The Gate. I've been there once.
You've been there?
Yeah, very nice hotel.
Okay. So you can see it's
very exclusive view.
You mean The Gate?
Yeah.
Yeah, The Gate has
sea view now. I mean, is it what's
a river? It's actually a river that connects. Yeah, it's called what is it called? Miliani. Miliani.
Is it a lake?
But the water has been long existing. Do we need to enter here?
No need. No,
let's just turn around the streets and then head where we headed. So that's Eboh Street. I don't know whether we can turn out from here. If we don't find a place to turn, I think we have to find a place to turn. got got to the end point of that road and found out that we couldn't go further, so we're about to take another route outside this. Yeah, this one should connect Eagle Street. So as you can see, this is Penguin Close. Zoo Estate is actually massive and beautiful. Exclusively for the rich. You know, all these people are sensitive. I think this will connect us outside. Oh. Still Zoo Estate in G.R.A. Enugu. So we are heading out. This is Popular Newberries, and this is old government lodge. It used to be a government house back in the days, but it's no longer in use. So we headed. G.R.A. famous 33 junction by your left, and by your right is anti-kidnapping office. They're also called Fire for Fire. Some are in a rush, they want to jam their car. By your left is the Salat office. And this road connects to ShopRite, Fidelity Bank by your right, IMT School, Campus 2 by your left, IMT. It's called Campus 2 by your left. Now we are going to connect ShopRite Road. Now you can see the ShopRite is not far from here. ShopRite is by your left hand side. Are we going inside? No.
Well, let's just go and rotate.
Just go around. We'll come in through the other gate so I can show you park lane. So we're taking this roundabout by your left. We're connecting to the popular state hospital called Park Lane. Enugu State University of Science and Technology Hospital, Park Lane, Enugu. This is where you start. This fence by your right goes on straight. This is their second gate by your right, And then they have another gate around this roundabout, which is the main gate to this place. This is still G.R.A. See the main gate to the Parkland Hospital in G.R.A. Now we're gonna take this U-turn roundabout to ShopRite. We just want to drive inside ShopRite and then show you how large ShopRite is in G.R.A. Enugu. So we just about to enter ShopRite. Come to the entrance. Come. And this is ShopRite. This is inside ShopRite. ShopRite. Oh. I didn't see that on town. Sorry about that. What is he trying to say with his mouth? What is Keihono? Is he trying to speak English or Eboh? That's ShopRite for you.
Let's just drive through the the other entrance, then drive out.
Eh?
Let's drive through the main entrance. Yeah, the main entrance. Then we drive out.
You want us to drive out and drive in again?
No, let's just drive through the place.
Inside
the
ShopRite.
Then drive out.
Okay, we can actually do that. That's the neighbor was.
I did my car, come and beat me.
Come and beat me, come and beat us.
I did my car, come and flog me.
Hey, my car, come and beat me. Ubolokwa, on the bike. Where you need another boy? Okay, come on, big man, come on, big man, come on, big man, come on, big man. You can't beat me, you can't touch me, you can't do me, you can't me, you can't bang back, you can't be back, you can't baraba. Yummy. I'm looking at some yummy looking people around me, surrounding me, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like in the mean. Do you still want us to go to this side?
Yeah.
Before we drive out? Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. So this is inside ShopRite. ShopRite has a lot of things. You know, not just the ShopRite. We'll have the game. We'll have Latitude Lounge. We'll have Cope Civic Center. We'll have a whole lot of recycling stores and shops that you can relax or shop from or buy from here in Enugu Mall. ShopRite. Yeah. And I think with an ML is blocking my view from browsing and doing what I gotta do. I don't know what he's doing, but he just wanna park, but me don't wanna park. I just wanna move.
Watch out.
I think we just rounded.
Yeah.
Just rounded, sharp right. And then Kego here, good deal here, man.
Make Kego politics.
Kego politics here, man. No, this political time, I gotta be very active, man. I need to collego, man.
We're living through that way.
Yeah? Is it?
We're living through that way.
Yeah. You know, there are two entrances. We came in through the second entrance. We are gonna go out through the main entrance. From by your right, inside G.R.A. All these places are G.R.A. If you take straight up, it's still G.R.A. It's called Park Avenue, and this is EKULU Avenue. From this road, if you take it straight, you're going to connect to EKULU Bridge. But we're going further inside G.R.A. So we're going to take right through NWODO Street. We just passed a Veronica Hotel, a very popular hotel back in the days, although it's not trending again. So through your right, we are going inside NWODO Street. And this is NWODO Street. Somebody declaring now. So this is NWODO Street. The City Light Hotel by your right, and then left is KWEREMMADU Drive. I want to take right and turn from house 2A back. Then this is now AKPABIO Street, G.R.A. One of the richest Eboh man we have, Prince Ato Eze. This is his house by the left. You can see his gates. He's a very strong man, a billionaire, a business mogul and tycoon. You know, people come from nooks and crannies to look for him because he's very, very important. This is still AKPABIO Street, G.R.A. So we're gonna take left. So we're still gonna take left again. Up the hill, we'll connect you to New Haven Junction, Ogui Junction, Utiba Junction, but taking back left, we're going further inside G.R.A. and this street is called Nike Drive. This is Nike Drive, G.R.A. Enugu. Nike Drive, and by your left is Carmelite Church. It's a very popular church, Carmelite Catholic Church. That's by the left, and by the right is where you have their school, the Carmelite School. gonna switch back into Modu Street again. This is Modu Street, and that's Coast City Foundation Hospital by your right. Just started recently though. I'm gonna run because of the car. What is making that noise? Pam pam pam. This is a compound of a very rich man that is late now. Basically, it's and then we back through all the streets. G.R.A. I'm not doing this hotel charge. That place is very relaxed more. And I'm at the hotel. Another Kunkum hotel will make sense for this one.